Popliteal Artery. 12 questions and answers. Is the popliteal artery a continuation of the femoral artery? Yes, the popliteal artery is a continuation of the femoral artery. What is the name of the femoral artery once it enters the posterior compartment of the thigh? Popliteal artery is the name of the femoral artery once it enters the posterior compartment of the thigh. The popliteal artery begins once the femoral artery passes which opening? The popliteal artery begins once the femoral artery passes through the opening called adductor hiatus. Where does the popliteal artery terminate? The popliteal artery terminates in the upper third of the leg. Does the popliteal artery terminate by dividing into two arteries? Yes, the popliteal artery terminates by dividing into two arteries. Which two arteries result from the popliteal artery bifurcating? A bifurcation of the popliteal artery results in the anterior tibial artery and the posterior tibial artery. What is the course of the popliteal artery from start to finish? From start to finish, the popliteal artery courses through the popliteal fossa. Does the popliteal artery give off arteries? Yes, the popliteal artery gives off arteries. Does the popliteal artery give off arteries other than the two terminal arteries? Yes, the popliteal artery gives off arteries other than the two terminal arteries. How many arteries are given off by the popliteal artery besides the two terminal arteries? The popliteal artery gives off 4 arteries other than the two terminal arteries. What are the names of the 4 arteries given off the popliteal artery other than the two terminal arteries? The names of the 4 arteries given off by the popliteal artery other than the two terminal arteries are sural artery, superior genicular artery, middle genicular artery, inferior genicular artery. Does the popliteal artery travel alongside the popliteal vein? Yes, the popliteal artery travels alongside the popliteal vein.